What's up, everyone? It's your girl Stephanie. Today I am giving you a tour of my back house, my fully furnished, fully done back house. If you saw my first house tour here, you saw this in just like total shambles. There was just crap everywhere. It was nowhere near done. But now that it is finished, I wanted to give you a little tour. This little back house was definitely one of the reasons why I fell in love with this house. I mean, it's a fully finished back house that my parents, when they come visit, they can actually have their own space to stay in when they visit me. Before, obviously, I lived in lofts and I was like downtown. Obviously with COVID, they're really not traveling too much. I might see them for Thanksgiving, not sure yet. So for the time being, I fully furnished it, it's finished, and Michael's friend is gonna be staying here. Okay, so here is the front door. There's Josie. Joe! Whenever I come in here, I mean, I worked in here a lot, and I usually have a little dog bed in here for her, but right now she's kind of just like, what are we doing in here? So I bought this bench from Ikea that fits just perfectly in that space, and that is actually the front door. When we move over here, we have a sliding glass door, but I'll talk about that in a second. So that's where, they can put their shoes, and I might try and put like a little mat down there. And then I mounted this TV here on the wall that actually comes off of the wall. So sitting in this little chair that's down here or the bed, they can comfortably watch TV. And then we move over, and this is a closet system that I got from Ikea. It's called, I always call it the ELVARLI. Ikea furniture names, it's E-L, there's a V. I'll link it down below, but honestly, this closet system is beautiful. And what's great about this is I didn't want to put anything mounted onto the walls, and I didn't really want anything enclosed because it is a small space. So this is a set closet system that you can get, and what I did was I used these like wood panels. So when you add it to your cart, they say to get these white ones, and then I took those out and then I replaced it with these wood ones, and I feel like it just finished it really nicely. And yeah, I really do like the look of this, and it fits there perfectly. When we turn around, I placed this little chair and this cart and rug kind of in the middle. I know it looks a little bit awkward, but initially I felt like I was gonna maybe put a couch or a love seat kind of in front of the sliding glass door, but there just wasn't enough room, plus the bed. So I opted for this because I got this chair from my sister. Those cushions were already mine. This little cart I got from Ikea. It's actually really cool. There's like little wheels, and it's a little, I don't know, is this Rattan? A little cart there. Oh, do you see your dad? Oh, I think dad is back from a bike ride. 1 second. Go! I'll show you the outside in a sec too. And then I got this little rug from Target. Target has some really cool rugs. For the price, really cute. 100% would recommend Target rugs. So when we're moving along here, there's the TV. There's that little armchair. So that's like the living area. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out this space, but for now, because my sister, she gave me that chair and everything, I'm leaving it like that. I kind of wanted to do like a small little desk right here, like a vanity desk, but it would have to be like pretty teeny tiny because I would need room for the drawers to open. So also still figuring out this space a bit. And we move over to the bedroom area, and you might recognize, this is my old West Elm bed with all my queen, my Pendleton, everything. Oh my gosh. Pendleton does not make like king size quilt covers, which is very sad because I only had this for a little while. It was like my dream to get Pendleton, and then now I have a king bed. That's a horrible thing to complain about. But anyways, nightstand and bed from West Elm. This is great too because there are drawers down there, so we have more storage. And then there's drawers on the other side, so I guess it'd be like stuff you would never touch, really. And then I hung up a couple prints that I had just at the house. So San Francisco, Los Angeles print. I got that cute little lamp from Target. And I believe the curtains are from Bed Bath & Beyond, as well as the curtain rod. And they are blackout curtains. I wouldn't really recommend Bed Bath & Beyond over anything else. I would say go to Target first or other places, because I realize Bed Bath & Beyond is very expensive. Now we're over here in the kitchen zone. Let me close this bathroom door so you can see it all the way. It's honestly a great setup. I can't believe how well that was my kitchen island from my old place, from Ikea. And then I bought these 2 chairs are also from Ikea. It's their counter stools. They're great. I feel like I should have gotten them a long time ago. I was thinking about painting the black part of this, like trying to match it to that paint. But to be honest, I know it kind of looks dark like that, but it looks really fine in this space, because also it is such a small space, but we got these really high ceilings and exposed, beams over here, supporting beams, and then recessed lighting. So before we get over there, we have a little shelf here. This shelf was actually initially over here, but I felt like it'd be strange to have a shelf over your head like that. So I replaced it here. The AC unit is leaking a little bit. I am getting that fixed, but I felt like that could be a good little zone for knickknacks. Also, potentially a zone for a little desk. Things can be measured out and can fit exactly, but it just doesn't fit, if that makes sense. Once you put it there, it just doesn't go. But yeah, we have a full kitchen out here. I already talked about the Ikea Island, which I love this island. If you're looking into, islands that you can move around, Ikea, this thing is great. Little stove top over here. It's very small, very cute. And then this pretty high up, I don't know how my mom would get up here. This is me on my tippy toes. I can get it. Ceramic pot. And these are from Amazon, and they are also very nice. Gibson home, really cute. And then this little decorative rainbow is actually from Target, very recent too, so I think it's there. And then we just have some glasses up there on the shelf. What do I have in here? Oh, I just bought there's some extra plates for my sister, pots, pans, mixing bowls, just some little basics here. Actually, this reminds me of Josie's little scooper. This is a great space saver. If you have really shallow shelves, these little measurement cups can kind of get in the way. Underneath the island, I have a rice cooker. I no longer use my really nice Tiger rice cooker because I just use my Instant Pot for rice. So I put that in here. I put a little toaster oven in here and a hot water heater. We got cutlery. Kind of don't remember things that I put under here. Really nice big sink that has some plant stuff in there right now. Yeah, we're really set up. In terms of also the windows, there will be blackout pull down curtains on these windows over here. And then into the bathroom. Bathroom hasn't changed too much. Look at that shower. That shower head is crazy. I kind of want to take a shower in here one time just to experience this. But I put up, I had a TaskRabbit put these little paintings up, or these little drawing prints up. Man, he didn't do it. I showed him exactly how I wanted to do it, but I was doing other things. And then when I came back in, I wanted this one to be slight, come up to here, It's just slightly off to me, but I can, you know, it's something I can fix later. This is actually, that was meant for the garden. And I was going to put something else in there, like another little kind of storage unit. There's a lot of options for that, but for now I'm just keeping that there. And I have, oh yeah, I got new, you know, that's the bath mat, and bath towels are in here. Yeah, I'll show you the outside now. By the way, Simply Safe, home security, sponsor me. No, just kidding. I already bought all this stuff for there. Yeah, I put Simply Safe and everything, and I bought a separate unit so the back house has like control over their security system. Oh, are you coming for a visit? Hello. Lots of leaves in here right now. So the back house has their own little patio. I don't know what you'd call it exactly, but anyways, bought this little set from Ikea, just for now at least. So there's a little outdoor seating. A bird apparently really likes this chair, geez. And an outdoor rug from Ikea as well, because I felt like I needed to put some sort of seating out here. My plan is actually to put up eventually, or very soon, a fence so that there is privacy all around. And then there would be like a door here. Now that I have finished, you know, the whole guest house area. Oh, ma'am. I can start working on my outdoor space. It looks insane right now. A very short and sweet little tour of a very small and sweet little space. I really like how it turned out. I really lucked out in that a lot of the stuff I already owned fit in this space, but I definitely did spend a little, you know, a bit of money. A few things here and there at Ikea definitely add up, especially like the closet systems. A video coming up really soon, I just realized I think I have 4 different Ikea closet systems, or 3 in my house. And I thought if that would be a video that you'd be interested in, just to see how some of them look in real life, because planning out closet systems can be kind of frustrating online, not kind of, really frustrating, and it doesn't always turn out looking how you necessarily planned. A lot of Ikea's kind of pre-planned setups for you, especially for packs, I just don't like it, so I had to replace some things. So I do have a little bit of like tips and tricks when it comes to Ikea closets. I haven't been showing as much progress inside the house though, because it is a little bit of a mess. I am trying to get things a little bit more organized before showing y'all. I actually saw a comment, it was like one of the more recent comments on my like messy house tour, where somebody was straight up like, why would you show this place? It is such a mess. But that was the whole point. Not everything in YouTubers' lives or online people's lives are perfect. There's a process of getting there. So now you see the finished product, and I will definitely be sharing more stuff inside the house, my house as well. So thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. If you haven't yet, subscribe below for more of these kind of videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.